Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming system-level permissions so the app can see audio. Open your OS privacy or permission settings and enable microphone for Discord. This allows capture. Once done, quit Discord fully and plug the mic into a known working port. This rules out hardware faults. Make sure your headset or USB adapter is detected by the system. If not, try another cable or port. These steps establish a reliable baseline before changing app settings. Now work inside Discord. Open user settings, go to voice and video, and choose the exact input device matching your mic. This avoids default or virtual device conflicts. Next, make sure no other app is grabbing the device by disabling exclusive audio control in system sound properties. Otherwise, Discord can be blocked. Then use input sensitivity and the mic test to confirm levels. If you hear yourself or see the bar move, the app has access. If not, proceed to driver and privacy fixes. Finally, update drivers and reinstall Discord if needed. Outdated or corrupted drivers commonly block access. Go to Device Manager, update the microphone and USB controller drivers, and then reboot. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall Discord or run it as administrator to bypass permission quirks. Once complete, restart the system and test the mic in another application. This isolates whether the problem is the OS, drivers, or Discord itself. Troubleshooting tip. If still denied, check enterprise or antivirus policies that may block microphone use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.